Assalamualaikum, this is me NOREEN Khan. So now in this video I'll talk about reflection and the law of reflection. In the previous video I told you that what does mean by reflection. Reflection literally means the bouncing back of anything. We know that most of the object in our solar system does not emit light. The sun is the only object that emit light in a solar system, which means it's a luminous object. Yet we observe other planetary satellites such as Mercury and other substance does not emit light. Only sun is the only object that emits light, and when sun emit light spreading from the source, hitting the surface and entering into the eye and making the thing visible to us. So that's a reflection of light, and we are using this phenomena in our daily life. Let me give you one example. When you see a lot of things around, we can see a lot of things around us. As for instance, I can say a cup of coffee and a lot of things, but how we are able to do so? You might answer saying it because of our eyes, but I'll say no. Yes, your answer eye is right, but it's not 100% appropriate. What's about the light bouncing back from the surface, coming from the source, bouncing back and entering into the eye, making the object visible? This is basically a phenomena of reflection, but it's looking very messy. Let me just erase it. So yeah, now talking about the laws of reflection. The laws of reflection determine the reflection of incident ray on the reflecting surface, just like plain mirror, water, clean water, and the metal surface. Okay, there are two laws. The first is incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal line. All three lie on same plane, and angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. I think it's a little bit confusing. Let me take a clear slide so it will be more clear. Okay, look at here. This is a plane surface. This is a source. I can say sun. The light ray coming from the source hitting the obstacle. So this is known as the angle of incident, and the line which is perpendicular to the surface is known as normal line, and the ray which is generated from the barrier is known as reflected ray. As you can see